Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to learn about a poem called Repeat It. So in this poem, you repeat the beginning of each line. So let's just say your poem began with I like. Every single line would begin with I like. Of course, you're not going to begin your poem with I like because you're a fifth grader. But let's look at some examples of some repeated poems. Minimize myself here. Okay, so over here you see repeated poem. So it says when a line or phrase is repeated several times. So let's look at this example. Never will I is the title. Never will I go to Mars. Never will I dine on cars. Never will I pet a bear. Never will I cut my hair. Never will I touch the sky. Never will I learn to fly. Never will I serve goat tea. Never will I ride a bee. Never will I ask the time. Never will I end this rhyme. So these lines don't have to rhyme every time. They can, but they don't have to. You can have them not rhyme as long as they begin with the same thing each time and you repeat it for every single line. Now I'm going to do one right now and it's kind of a weird one and I'm going to show you what it can look like. This has a little bit of a rhyme, but not a ton. So mine is going to be called I Didn't. Okay, so here's my title, I didn't. So each of my lines is going to start with I didn't, and then it will continue. Now remember, these poems can rhyme or they don't have to rhyme. I think I'm going to make mine, maybe kind of rhyme if I can think of it. Okay, let's see what I can come up with. First line. Oh, I need to make this a little smaller. Okay, first line, I know. I didn't go to school because it was closed. Okay, so here's my repeating phrase, I didn't. All right, let me see the next one. How about I didn't see my students? Do I want it to rhyme? What would rhyme with closed? I didn't go to school because it was closed. I didn't see my students. Did they miss me? Who knows? I don't need a capital there. Who knows? So I did rhyme it. Closed kind of rhymes with no. Knows. I didn't go to school because it was closed. I didn't see my students. Did they miss me? Who knows? All right, let's try another one. I didn't, I know I didn't do this. I didn't get up early because I didn't have to. I didn't go out to eat, so I made a pot of stew. So to and stew kind of rhyme. I didn't go to school because it was closed. I didn't see my student. Did they miss me? Who knows? I didn't get up early because I didn't have to. I didn't go out to eat, so I made a pot of stew. So as you can see, this is kind of my life right now, right? I didn't get to do all these things because we're in quarantine. See if I can get a couple more lines out of this. I didn't change, this is bad. I didn't change my clothes because each day. I did change them some days, but not each day. I didn't change my clothes each day because no one would see me. I didn't put on makeup. Let's see, I think I need a dash here. I didn't put on makeup. I'm so glad no one can see me. All right, so there's my I didn't poem. I'm going to stop there with 6 lines of I didn't. And you can tell by my content of my poem that this is really about all the things I can't do because we're in quarantine, or all the things that I didn't do because we're in quarantine. I didn't go to school, I didn't see my students, I didn't get up early, I didn't go out to eat. So I could have just said, I didn't go to school, I didn't see my students, I didn't get up early, I didn't go out to eat, I didn't change my clothes each day, I didn't put on makeup. I could have done it like that without adding the rhyming piece, but I wanted to make it a little more exciting. So I want you guys to try it out and see what you can come up with, and repeat your phrases over and over. Let me do just one more off the cuff. I'm going to make this one a non-rhyming one, just a real simple one. Okay. Let me think of something that would be interesting. How about, okay. My little baby granddaughter. Which I didn't spell correctly. Okay, so this is going to be my title, my little baby granddaughter, and this is the phrase that I'm going to repeat. And if it's a title, I should have capital letters. Shame on me. There we go. So, the phrase I'm going to repeat each time is my little baby granddaughter. Okay. Let's make this a little smaller so it can fit on the page. Okay, my little baby granddaughter GHDER is very cute. My little baby granddaughter, oops, I forgot a D up here again, has a name. It's Noah. My little baby granddaughter has blue eyes. My little baby granddaughter is very long. My little baby granddaughter seems to have red hair. My little baby granddaughter, let's see, what else can I say? Likes to eat and cry. Should I add this? And poop. I probably shouldn't add that, but it makes it a little more fun. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish this off, but I'm going to be a little crazy. I'm going to finish my last line without the repeat. I miss my little granddaughter. So you see how I kind of mixed it up a little bit on the last one. I went a little crazy. So here's another example. So this does not rhyme. This is just repeating the initial phrase, the beginning phrase, my little baby granddaughter, my little baby granddaughter, my little baby granddaughter. So whatever your topic is, just remember to keep repeating, repeating, repeating. All right, go ahead and give this one a practice today. Do some scratch ones, do some just practice ones, see what you like. And then tomorrow you'll write your final repeat it poem and turn that in. I can't wait to see them.